Imagine signing the final document on your multi-million-dollar acquisition, popping the champagne, and then getting that call 3 months later. We have a problem. The seller failed to disclose a pending environmental remediation order that will cost you $2.5 million, or perhaps you discover that 40% of the company's claimed revenue came from a single customer who just filed for bankruptcy. Or worse yet, you learn the hard way that Florida's unique legal landscape has just turned your dream acquisition into a nightmare. I'm Santiago Cueto, a board-certified international business attorney and best-selling author. I've helped hundreds of entrepreneurs navigate the business acquisition process. I'm here today to walk you through the hidden landmines in Florida private company acquisitions that can transform your investment thesis from brilliant to disastrous in the blink of an eye. In Florida's distinctive business environment, due diligence requires specialized knowledge beyond standard acquisition practices. Let me highlight 5 critical landmines that frequently catch even sophisticated buyers off guard. First, Florida's environmental regulations create unique liability risks. With our sensitive ecosystems of wetlands, coastlines, and aquifers, environmental due diligence takes on heightened importance. Many buyers fail to conduct Phase 2 environmental site assessments where appropriate, especially for properties with historical, industrial, or agricultural use. Florida's Department of Environmental Protection maintains specific databases not typically checked in standard nationwide environmental reviews. Missing contamination issues can lead to remediation costs far exceeding your purchase price. Second, beware of Florida's sales tax exposure. Many private companies in Florida have misclassified services or products, creating substantial unclaimed tax liabilities that's transferred to you upon acquisition. Florida's Department of Revenue's look-back period and penalty structure makes this particularly dangerous. One client discovered $750,000 in unaccounted sales tax liability post-closing because their seller mistakenly treated certain construction services as non-taxable. Third, understand Florida's unique employment laws. While Florida is an employment at-will state, it has distinctive regulations regarding non-compete agreements, worker classifications, and wage and hour requirements. Many smaller Florida companies misclassify employees as independent contractors, creating significant potential liability. Post-pandemic, this risk has grown to remote work arrangements complicate compliance. Carefully examine all employment agreements and classification practices during due diligence. Fourth, hurricane and flood insurance coverage deserves special scrutiny. In Florida, proper catastrophic event coverage is essential, yet frequently inadequate. Many private companies maintain insufficient coverage or have exclusions that leave significant gaps. Recent changes in Florida's insurance markets have created new complexities that demand specialized review. Examine not just current policies, but also historical claims and coverage changes. And finally, be vigilant about Florida's litigation profile. Florida ranks among the most litigious states, with distinctive laws regarding negligence and liability. A thorough search of county and state records is critical, as smaller litigation matters often don't appear in standard database searches. Look beyond the company itself to include principals and related entities who might bring litigation baggage to your transaction. The road to successful acquisitions in Florida is paved with thorough, specialized due diligence. By understanding these 5 landmine areas, environmental regulations, sales tax compliance, employment practices, insurance coverage, and litigation exposure, you're positioning yourself to avoid costly post-closing surprises. Remember, in acquisitions, what you don't know absolutely can hurt you. The most expensive word in business aren't "I was wrong," but rather "I didn't check." With proper diligence, focusing on Florida's unique business landscape, you can transform potential landmines into manageable issues and safeguard your investments for years to come. If this video gave you a guidebook for your next acquisition, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.